Hello there! Today we look into the features of the Social Icons Group block, which is included in the Caledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Social Icons Color Control. By default, a new Social Icons Group block will have 3 social icon blocks. Each one of these blocks will have a simple chain icon. There are 2 color controls for the Social Icons Group block, one for light mode and one for dark mode. Both color controls allows us to set a custom color or to pick one from the theme palette. Social Icon Size Control. This control allows us to change the size in pixels for all the icons. Each icon will have the same width and height set by this control. Space between icons control. By using this control, we can adjust the space between the social icons. This space is measured in pixels. Margin control. Like other blocks, we can set a single margin for the whole social icons group, or we can set different margins for each side. Social Icon Block. The Social Icon Block is a child block of the Social Icons Group block. This single block has 2 controls. The first control allows us to change the social media icon. We can choose from a list of 23 different icons related to social media platforms. The Social Media Link control allows us to paste a valid link to direct the user to a social media account. Thank you for watching.